owl! Hey y'all. So, it's a balmy minus 33 with the wind chill. I think without it, it's only like 27. Right? We're here at the former Saddler place. Real estate agent called us and needs a trail in for the garage. A buddy of ours with a pickup blade come out and took a couple of pokes at her and called me and said, no, this is more up your line. So we're gonna take a poke at her. It's too cold for GoPros today outside the cab, and I only got my phone, so I'll try to get a little bit, but you can only do so much one-handed. There you have it. Nothing special. It's fairly stout though. Somebody had been in here partway with a snowmobile and packed the trail down. A little bit windswept, but she didn't want it wide open. Said just enough to get a car in here and get turned around in the garage and get back out. So I widened the approach out a little bit. Hopefully the grader will take a poke at it when he goes by the next time, so it doesn't just block her back in, but worst case, they'll have to call me back. Sorry guys, I hope this turns out good. We are down a computer right now, so I'm doing all the editing and recording from my phone. I do have some footage backed up and saved up, but it's on a hard drive that I can't do anything with. So yeah, editing on my phone, playing it on my big ass TV. Hope you like it. I don't know what to tell you. Give me a like, subscribe. I'm trying, guys.